Alright, what's going on everyone? So before I get into this unboxing, this video is sponsored by Dropscop. I bet y'all were expecting that. You know, these are my boys right here, and they sent me some stuff that we got here. I'm really excited to show you all. You know, I copped this stuff. Basically, a few things I want to share with you guys about Dropscop is that they have a restock coming November 30th. So if you didn't get a membership before, they got one. Restocks coming. I think it's for 50 copies on November 30th, and they now take PayPal goods and services. So for those of you that use PayPal instead of like other payment methods like Zelle and things like that, they now take PayPal. Here's some photos of just like the basically like success that they have. They have some through GOAT, which if you get pairs of Revenge Storms, which you see I have some here to unbox. You can sell them immediately through GOAT. I mean, I'd recommend selling them to other people because you can get a little bit more out, like get more for what you pay, you know what I mean? But you can still profit either way just selling through GOAT. It's pretty cool. I've been a member for 4 months, and they got a bunch of also like discounted channels, so like a ton of designer, which is actually where I got this off-white tee that I'm also gonna show you. Everything about Unbox is 100% legit. I don't unbox foo-foo stuff, none of that. This is all legit, so I just wanna get straight into this, so I hope you guys will enjoy. If you're new, subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I'll be sure to do it because I'm about to start getting a lot more stuff because I'm gonna be using some of the great methods Dropscop provides. So yeah, follow me on my Instagram too in the description. Just wanna say that. You know, go give me a follow, go like my recent photo. Let's get started. So to show you I'm not playing, here's the off-white tee, basically all the details on it. This one's gonna fit me nice, but I just wanna show you all this. So firstly, there's the bag. That's one thing you can tell is legit. You got the bag. And then also, I want to show you all the tags. It's identical to my off-white tee that I bought at Neiman Marcus. Just want to show you all this. Look at this. The tag's the exact same, no difference. This is an older tee. As you see, it has the off right there. I actually just like that simple text there. And then you also have this part in the front. You have like you can see the back through there because of the light, but it's like, this is like old Virgil work. As you can tell, like look, like heavy, and I don't know. I can't see what that is there, but you can just tell this is like older off-white stuff, what they used to make more of when Virgil was like directing them. Because we all know Virgil's now with Louis Vuitton doing this stuff. But yeah, just one more look at that tag. I really want to give you guys a good idea of that. Like, they don't have any foo stuff. This is all legit, and I got this for, I mean, they have crazy deals. Like, this retailed for a lot more than I actually got it for. Like, and this is 100% legit. Like, look, you got the white right there. That's where it says it. And you got the stripe pattern on the back. This tee is super dope. I'm keeping this one for the personal 100%. But I just want to show you all this one. This is legit. I'm definitely actually gonna, hold on, I'm gonna put this on. Ignore the polo tee. Also, before I put it on, look at that. Mirror. Has another part right there. And it fits me nicely. So yeah, I like this tee. It's a little small on the sleeves, but you know, the tee runs long. That's what you expect out of most off-white tees. Haircut also coming soon, but yeah, big fan of this tee. Like, look, you can wear it like this right here. And the back design, this is dope. I love this. So yeah, I guess the off-white tee, that's hype. We now got that in the collection. We're starting to get our off-white up again. I sold my jacket. I regret that, but you know, help me get more stuff in the future, so not too much more to say really there. But let's get into the first pair since we have 2 pairs of Revenge Storms to unbox. So I'll unbox the one with the black box. So this is the usual box. I've been unboxing for a while. You can see right there. The other one is a different colored box. It's a special edition, but you got this one right here, just normal pair. See this, all the info. And yeah, basically, it's a legit pair of Revenge Storms. So the first pair we got right here is the now released pair of, as you can see, there you go. It's the blue rag Revenge Storm, size 11. I'm gonna be selling these at my local sneaker store, I think. I just copped these, and yeah, these are crazy. My friend has a pair of these, so I'm not keeping these. These aren't really my size 11. I mean, I could probably rock them because Revenge Storms run a little bit small. But I just want you to pay attention to the detail on these shoes. Of course, I always talk about Revenge Storm needing to work on their quality control. These are super sick regardless. Like, I just want you all to peep these. Like, this is all crazy. Like, these are so nice. I don't know, I'm just kind of in shock. So shout out Dropscops for securing me a pair of these. I mean, these are insane. Definitely for the collection. I mean, I don't know if I want to keep them or not. I'm gonna be deciding sort of like during the video, because I don't know, because I could probably fit an 11. I just have to think. So these are sick. There's, you know, here's the other pair right here. So yeah, these are dope. And yeah, you know, oh, here's the bottoms also, you know. Revenge X Storm in blue. This part's sick. I like that it has blue. Usually it's just like in black, but it's in blue here. So they put some details on the sneakers. Shout out all of them. But yeah, you know, even though I rock with Ian Connor, like a little bit, you know, just some of the stuff, you know, I don't want to get into it, but yeah, he makes dope shoes. That's all I gotta say. So put this pair up, you know. I don't know if I'm selling or not. I'm gonna have to think. And the other pair we got right here in the white box is a different color box we got right here. As you can see, got the reflective everything. I mean, it's reflective on the other box, but it really shines on this one. Like, that's nice. But here we are. We got the LA exclusive green pair. These are a crazy pair right here. Damn. These are so nice. But yeah, dang, these are crazy nice, dude. Like, I'm actually in shock, so I want to show you all these. Ooh, and the green on the bottom. look at that. Pay attention to detail right there. These ones are green on the bottom. That's fire. That's hard. They killed that. So yeah, I think these are straight fuego. Shout out Drops Cops again, man. I've said it 3 times in this video, I think, but like, y'all just gotta look at these. Like, these are kind of crazy. Like, I don't know. These are size 12s. These definitely won't fit me, so I'm probably gonna sell this pair. But I mean, the rag ones are dope. These ones are dope. I mean, shoot, like, I don't even know what to like say. These are just fire. Like, they killed it. But yeah, I'm gonna keep securing my pairs. Like, this is not the end. Y'all gonna see way more unboxing. And yeah, you know, this is just like a light little thing right here. Ooh, I can make this a thumbnail. Think I make this thumbnail? You know what up? I don't know. But yeah, I just made a little thumbnail there because I'm probably gonna use that instead of the other one. But basically, just looking at that, I think my favorite pair is these ones. These ones are sick too, but probably gonna sell both because I'm just deciding, like, I already got a pair of Tokyos. I just need to get a 10, I think. I mean, I don't know. He has more pairs, so I'm gonna be securing mine. I recommend you all get a membership too. You can go follow them on Instagram. I'll put that in the description. So, you know, shout out to, you know, they got like a website too, stuff like that, where you can get your membership when it restocks November 30th. They did a little surprise membership drop too, so that's why I should follow their Instagram. But yeah, other than that, these are super sick pairs, and I don't know, I'm just stoked to have them. So shout out Drops Cops, and not much more to say. Off-White tee and some revenge storms. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you all want more content like this, go ahead, you can subscribe, but I want you all to, you know, go maybe check out Drops Cop, and also just let me know what you think of this video in the comments. You guys want me to do like a massive unboxing with like 10 plus sneakers, something like that, because I can do that, so just let me know. I'll definitely be trying to do that, and that'd be fun, I think. So, you know, I'm gonna get to doing bigger unboxings with the opportunities, you know, I have through Drops Cops. But I'm probably gonna go sell these pairs and make some good profit, so not too much more to be said other than thank you guys for watching. And yeah, here's the unboxing. Got the new Off-White tee. Super stoked about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So cool little HYPEBEAST unboxing, maybe, I don't know. But not much more to be said other than I'm Tristan. Go check my Instagrams too in the description. Don't forget about that. Go like my pic, my recent one, my personal. Go do that and follow my reselling account too. But yeah, now I'm done for real. So thanks for watching. I'm Tristan. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.